What is it about offer creation? Because that's very specific.
Yeah.
What is it about doing that with people over and over again that gives you the, like, if I can get this offer, if I can get to 10x it, or if I can get this person to believe, what is it that for you that you're like, this is it, like, this is fun?
I don't know. I mean, for me, it's so fun because it's like a forensic puzzle. It's like figuring out what's in their business, what do they do, what kind of value can they truly provide, and then putting together this puzzle about how does that relate to their market, how does that relate to people on the outside, how can they transfer that to other people. I don't know. It's fun for me to be able to quickly sit down and a lot of what we do is one-on-one. Even in our programs and groups and our memberships, we spend a lot of time in one-on-one. I mean, face-to-face. I think the pure measure of whether or not someone is real deal in my book, what I look for in other people, is whether or not they can sit down with you face-to-face and just flow and be able to ask questions and then come up with answers and solutions and on the spot. Anyone can read a script and regurgitate stuff that they read in books, and then
for sure
say, figure this out and drop this into your business and just do this. That's the mimic marketing I was talking about. So it's I don't know. It's exciting to be able to kind of help people solve problems with their own business, but do it in a way to come up with offers that will bring effective, long-term real change, not even long-term all the time, sometimes short-term change. But that allows them to feel and have fun and feel good about the business they're building. Again, a lot of people we work with are going for more than just money. They're going for time. They're going for, stuff. It's like, hey, do you want to work 3 days a week? Fine. It's like, that's not crazy. Let's figure it out. Let's be realistic on what it can look like, but let's figure it out. And if we can actually help them develop offers that excites their market, helps their business grow and allows them to kind of keep that time and life container intact, then that's what excites me.